Why is economic growth important? Economic growth is the increase of market value of goods and services produced by an economy over time. It is measured as the percent rate of increase in real gross domestic product. Economic growth is important because it grows businesses, which allows for advancement in society, lower unemployment rates, and increased wages.
This is America without economic growth. This is America with economic growth.
Here's an image of America's growth rate versus other countries.
As you can see, the U.S. is ranked number 1 in GDP, or gross domestic product. This is due to the economic growth in America.
The Gini coefficient is a measure of statistics dispersion intended to represent the income distribution of a nation's residents. It is usually defined as a mathematically based on the Lorenz curve, which plots the proportion of the total income of the population that is cumulatively earned by the bottom X% of the population.
The Lorenz curve can be seen in this graph.
This is a graph with a Lorenz curve. A Lorenz curve can show how income can be distributed unequally. For example, 20% of the population could have 80% of the income. This curve shows the inequality in the distribution. In more detail, the Lorenz curve is a graph showing how the actual distribution of income differs from an equal distribution. It should appear as a diagonal line. Example, 40% can earn 40%. Distribution of income recently has become more unequal than it has been since 1980. The United States nominal GDP was estimated $17.4 trillion in 2014, approximately a quarter of the nominal global GDP.
America's standard of living is in the top 20 in the world.
Economic growth is important because it provides a foundation for the future society. Economic growth can contribute to advancements in all fields, creating beneficial outcomes and solutions to many economic problems, such as being able to raise the minimum wage and cut unemployment rates. America has a very high standard of living, and the economy of the U.S. is the world's largest single national economy, and this is all thanks to economic growth.